like jelly. We're back.
Fortunately, it's not in Florida like the last video.
In photo? What are you talking about?
Florida.
Oh, yeah, that was really nice. We did it outside, didn't we?
We did.
We're indoors. It's a little chilly here where we live. A lot chilly. There were snow flurries yesterday.
Last time we did this video, I cleaned my mom's ears and it did very, very well, and we actually did it again, and I think that was a sponsorship. We're doing it, I'm not going to say the name of this, but we are gonna clean her ear with this tool.
Okay, oh, I'm so excited.
So cool. And we have the app, and we're gonna screen record on this phone, and we will show you what we find in her ear.
We'll put a box here. Here.
So,
oh, I'm sorry, public. I didn't clean my ears for a month just for this video. No, just kidding.
Oh my
gosh, I see that.
Too. Guys.
We should put it on a, no.
Guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh, she's pulling my, oh, look at that.
I had to pull it last time too.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God.
Kidding?
That's so, it's like scooping. The ring light turned off.
1 sec. Tell me if I hurt you.
Okay, no. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Oh, but it's very little. It just looks magnified. Yeah. Magnified and it's shocking.
Okay, we're gonna go a little deeper in.
I
know, it feels weird.
It kind of feels, I feel it in my throat.
I know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Does she clean her ears ever?
Yeah, but I don't go that deep. They always told me not to stick anything in my ear as a little kid. Ooh. Oh, gosh. Oh. Que pena. Okay, that's me. You need a little clipboard to put this on.
A clipboard? I'm not, like, analyzing this for stuff.
Why are you whistling? I whistle.
Guys, I'm gonna emphasize that noise in the mic.
Julie says my nose whistles.
No, it's your mouth.
Julie says my mouth whistles. I think because I breathe through my mouth.
I think you're Darth Vader.
I think I'm a Darth Vader, but Lady Vader. So what should we call me?
Lady Vader.
Lady Vader. Speaking of which, Mandalorian started again. I liked it.
Okay, I think this side is honestly really good.
Wow. What do you mean this side? Oh, we're cleaned? That was quick.
Oh, I take it back.
Oh, she found the chunker. Oh, look at that chunker. Maybe I'll hear better now. Oh my gosh.
I could really hold
How does this happen? Okay, so I hold this. I still hold this.
You still hold it.
Okay.
Let's get another
Oh, because you're okay, I get it.
What?
You're looking in here, sort of.
Yeah, but I'm also just straight up looking in
and
your
it's
ear.
the opposite direction.
Oh,
it's
no,
like
we're in the right ear, so.
It's like a canoe. You want to go left, you paddle on the right or something. You just have to put it on the
right or the left ear.
See, if I was famous, you'd sell that.
Do you guys want to buy it?
Michael Jackson wax or something like that. Or Princess wax.
You guys.
Just kidding.
We could list it on eBay.
We'll list it on eBay. Ooh, let's see what she finds. Treasures. Oh. Oh! What'd you find?
It's just so much.
Oh, that's how, this one has more. Oh my God, it's like jelly.
Don't laugh.
Sorry. Ew. Wait, you made me clog. Now I can't hear.
Okay.
I know, my ears clog. Oh,
okay,
I'm tearing. Keep going. All right.
It's not that funny.
My ear is still crying. I can't hear. Hurry up, get it out. I can't hear.
Well, stop laughing. You're making me move. I'm sorry, I'm pulling your ear so much.
That's okay. Get it out.
Mom, that's huge.
I think this is worse than the other. Maybe because I sleep on my right side. It does not poke it.
Do you think that you could do this to me?
I can try. Want me to try?
Okay, we're gonna try.
Right,
this is gonna be the end.
Ew.
Wait, look at like both of them.
Ew, it's on my finger.
It's your earwax.
It's my own earwax.
You gotta put your hand
Wait, this is
behind.
left and right? Crazy.
Okay, that was my
Right
mom's
there.
earwax.
Oh my gosh.
If you want to see her attempt,
Maybe I need glasses, Julie. I don't want to hurt you. So
definitely go get glasses.
let me go get glasses and I'll do you.
This was my mom's earwax. We're gonna go do my earwax. It'll probably be on her channel. It should be out like the same day that this video goes out because I edit the videos. Be sure to subscribe to both of our channels. I'll put hers right here. Bye.